Good Morning America did a segment on Lisa Wynn.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Wynn.
She's a food content creator who documented her own instant ramen food challenge where she did over 60 different ramen hacks in 60 days. And out of the 60 ramen hacks she did, Lisa shared her top 5 favorite ramen hacks with Good Morning America. I'll link the video below, but down to the number 1 spot, this was Lisa's favorite ramen hack.
Now down to number 1, this one is my favorite because of how easy it is to make. It's decadent, it's delicious, and oh so good. It is the ramen grilled cheese sandwich. Butter up some toast, add whatever cheese you like, add the noodles, and boom, you're left with the masterpiece. Not only is it savory, but you get a good kick of spice as well, if you use spicy ramen. And there you have it, my top 5 instant ramen recipes that I've tried.
This looks interesting and seems easy to make, so I'm going to try this out and give you my review at the end. Here are the ingredients I've gathered based on what I've seen she used to make this. First, you'll need spicy instant ramen. You can use any spicy ramen that you'd like that includes a hot sauce packet, like this one, not the powdered one, as I seen her use this liquid hot sauce packet. And then we'll need about a tablespoon of butter per slice of bread. I have 4 tablespoons of butter for 4 slices of bread to make 2 sandwiches. And you must use a thick type of bread like brioche bread to hold everything together. And then Lisa used 3 different types of cheese. She didn't say what cheese she used, just to add cheese, and more cheese. So I'm just using what I have available. Okay, so to get started, I'm just going to cook the instant ramen as usual, as directed on the package. The instant ramen box came with these 3 packets. I'll add in the ingredients from the powder packet and the veggie packet. And cook until the ramen is tender. Then I'll drain out the liquid soup back into the packaged bowl using a strainer. And place the cooked ramen aside in a different bowl. And now add in the included liquid hot sauce and mix until it's fully coated over the ramen. Then I'll first add 2 layers of cheese to one side of the bread. This one is Mexican cheese and this one is light cheddar cheese. Then I'll add in just enough of the cooked ramen over the cheese. And then I'll add in the 3rd cheese over the ramen, so you get cheese melted on both sides of the ramen. This one is the mild cheddar cheese. And I'm just gonna sprinkle the last bits of cheese I have left in the package. Cover with the top slice of bread and ready to grill. On medium-low heat, I'll melt 1 tablespoon of butter per each side of the sandwich and place the sandwich over the butter. I'm going to move it around a bit so the butter gets absorbed across the entire bread. At this point, you can put a lid on so the cheese melts faster. However, not for too long. Constantly check to see if the bottom of the bread is nicely grilled to golden brown before turning it over. And before you flip it over, make sure you have some melted butter for the other side of the bread. Now that I see the cheese has melted and the bread is nicely golden brown on both sides, now they are done. And there you've made spicy ramen grilled cheese sandwich, Lisa Wynn's number 1 favorite ramen hack. I'll cut these in half. And look at that cheesy ramen goodness. I'll be trying this for the first time and I'll give you my review on this next. Is it as good as Lisa says it is? For it to be her number 1 favorite? We'll see. Alright, we're going to test out the ramen grilled cheese sandwich. This looks really good. Alright, let's give this a try. Wow, this is really good. The flavor of the ramen with the cheese goes actually pretty good. It almost tastes like a grilled cheese sandwich. The ramen just kind of brings together like this texture, the noodle texture. And it also gives in the seasoning, the spice in there. This was a spicy one. The spicy taste is really good. The spicy taste is what makes it pop, the sandwich pop. Yeah, a lot of cheese is good. You gotta put a lot of cheese on grilled cheese. I'm gonna try dip it in the remaining soup, in that soup, see how it tastes. Really, really good. It actually brings in more flavor. It tones down the spice a little. It's just like dipping your clam chowder bread in soup. Pretty similar, except this is spicy and cheesy. Yeah, I actually like it with the soup. It gives flavor. Dip it in more soup. Yeah, if you love ramen, I say give this hack a try. It's pretty good. Yeah, I love this. I would give this rating score a 9 out of a 10. 9 out of a 10 for ramen grilled cheese sandwich, but it's gotta be spicy. It's gotta be the spicy ramen. The spicy ramen is what's gonna make this grilled cheese sandwich flavor pop. And I like dipping it with the remaining soup. So yeah, 9 out of a 10 for the ramen grilled cheese sandwich. Or I should say the spicy ramen grilled cheese sandwich. I think I would make this again. This is really good. Alright, thanks so much Lisa for sharing this recipe. And yeah, this was really good and very easy to make. I would recommend trying this. If you love ramen and grilled cheese, try it out. Also, just one last thing I wanted to add in. I did this recipe again, but used regular ramen, non-spicy. And I have to say, it wasn't as good as using spicy ramen. The non-spicy version tasted bland and didn't combine well as a grilled cheese sandwich. The spicy ramen gives the sandwich flavor. It's not spicy at all, it just gives some needed taste to the sandwich. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.